Hey guys, we are here at Steam Whistle. Ooh, let's do this with the camera since this is what people like. So we are here at Steam Whistle, and what do we have today? We have the Steam Whistle Plus, the unfiltered. Smells just like Steam Whistle. You got yourself some grassy notes, a little bit of a malty sweetness. It smells great though. Let's try it. Cheers, guys. Oh, unfiltered is the way to go. Oh my lord. Beautiful, beautiful sweet graininess. Beautiful grassiness on the background, a heavier mouthfeel. This is a Pilsner I could drink because it's unfiltered. It has that heavier mouthfeel, it has that nice, more graininess. It's not as grassy, it's not as bitter on the background. I actually really, really like this.
Some people will call that food, but I don't.
That is beautiful. That is excellent. Now, what did I say for Steam Whistle? Steam Whistle was great stylistically. It wasn't fully my thing. This is great stylistically still, but this is actually my thing. 8.75 out of 10. 8.75 out of 10, guys. Thank you. Bye.